Hello, this is Dr. Holmberg from Holmberg Wellness Group. I had spoken to you last week in regards to adrenal glands and its effect on stress and how it affects stress and how it helps deal with stress. Today I'm going to talk about how our body deals with chemical stress. That is how our body deals with things that come into it, whether foods we eat, medications that we put in our body, vitamins, minerals, supplements. These all come into our body and our body has to deal with these items. Well, it has certain filters in our bodies, similar to what our body has in our furnace or in our car, the liver, the kidneys. They both really work to pull these items out of our body, the ones we don't want, and put the ones into our body that our body needs. When we don't have enough of what we need in our body starts getting what we call acidic. This is caused by putting too many things in our body that our body really does not want or our body does not need. When we get too many of these items in our body will store these in the fat cells, in extra water in our body, and over time will cause extra weight to occur. This is how we gain weight. It's not based on calorie intake, it's based on what our body's storing and does not need. So over time, this is how we gain weight as we get older. We actually store things our body does not need. They store them in the fat cells. And the reason the body stores these items is because it can't get it out of the body from the liver or kidneys. So what needs to happen in these cases is we either need to do a liver detoxification or we need to look into other routes to get these items out, maybe through the fat cells themselves. What happens when we don't have enough alkaline in our body or enough good stuff in our body starts getting tired, fatigued. And maybe some of you have noticed at the end of the day or maybe middle of the afternoon, we're a little tired. We don't have the energy we want. Or maybe you've had this problem where perhaps you had something come in your mind, a thought, an idea, and you couldn't get it out verbally. That's called brain fog. That's another thing altogether. That's caused when the body has too many items in it that doesn't allow the brain to work well. So these are some things that occur when our body can't get rid of the toxins. Now, what we want to go over today is what can we do to help ourselves out if we do have too many toxic items in our body and they can't clean it out. Well, like I spoke about before, number one, we want to do a liver detoxification. Clean the filters out. Allow our body to get rid of the waste so we don't store it in the fat cells. Number two, we want to look into what we can do as far as changing our diet. Not put the bad things in our body and go over what we need to do as far as eating the right things and put the right things in our body. And then lastly, we want to look into what we need to do as far as maybe reducing or trying to get off some medications through your medical doctor, of course, so that your body can function properly. All right, so if you'd like to find out how to make your body function better and decrease your acidity in the body and help with the pH, or if you'd like to find out any areas of information as far as weight loss, visit our website at the bottom of this video.